Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty, and I realized I did not do a proper intro into my video today when I went shopping at Dollar Tree. So I thought I'd show you guys really quickly what I got and say hi to everybody. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and then we'll go right into the store. And at the end, you will see I had to cut it kind of short because I have severe allergies. And I got into a little coughing fit, so I got through over 10 minutes, so I was kind of proud of that without coughing or going crazy till the end. So make sure to give me some love with a thumbs up if you can relate to having allergies and having it be horrible. So I ended up getting these face masks, which you're going to see me shop for in the store. These are very cool for my gift closet. I love this sign so much, so much. And I have the glasses, you guys know if you've seen previous videos, with the lemonade. It's just so fun in the mason jars. You'll see me shop for these in the store as well. I think that the smell is really nice. We'll see how it works out. I did grab a regular just styling brush. I needed one for like when my hair's wet and I want to brush it out when I get out of the shower. You'll see me shop for this Pantene in the store as well. I did also grab 3 foldable fans. They're small, which I love, so you can put one in your purse. Great, right? And you have 3 in case you lose it. I thought that was just awesome. I grabbed a Reach teeth whitening pen because I actually really like the teeth whitening products at Dollar Tree. It's not like going to the dentist, but for $1, it's very good. I did grab one of the white flower, rose, it's more just a flower, trinket trays. I thought it'd be great for in my room with like all my rings and stuff. I thought that was pretty cool. And you'll see me shop for the almond milk in the store as well. And I give you a review. Obviously I like it because I bought some. And I just got one of these teal pitchers for inside the refrigerator for some good old-fashioned Kool-Aid in the summer. All right, guys, enjoy the video. This is the first time I have ever seen yarn in my Dollar Tree. I've seen it online, never seen it in my store. So it's Red Heart Boutique Sashay Sequins. It's pretty green. It's got a mauve, red, black, this pretty bluish turquoise, and this gold, this sassy gold. And then they have fettuccine Lion brand yarn. You get a lot for $1. They only have a couple left. Well, more than a couple, but not many. Look at this. No way. For $1? That's such a good deal. The little collagen lip pads. These are so cute. Life is Better with Sprinkles. They're little books where you can put like things that make life sweet. Today I thought about, so it's like a little journal, but it kind of helps you guide you through. Sometimes you don't know what to write. These are awesome. Favorite movies. It's got music. This one says chill out. This one is Life is Sweet. These are awesome. I love them. Wow, for $1. For $1, guys. Faith, Family, and Friends. It's got a little clip where you can clip your picture. This is an insane price for $1. Hope you can see it. It's really cool. They have it in this color as well. They have it in the lighter wood. Forever and Always. This one says family is everything. The tan one says. I don't know. I just think this is such a good deal for $1. Wow. So I haven't been here in a while, and there's a lot of new items, which is awesome. Groovy green tea wash-off mask. So clean, so fresh. For $1. For $1. I know, I can't help it. There's some really good values today. My store finally got these trinkets. I call them little trinket sets. I don't know. What do we call these guys? They're adorable. They've got a few left. Gray, the green, the pink, and the white. Oh my god, I'm so excited today. Oh my gosh, these little light up necklaces, they have flamingos, and they also have the palm trees. So stinking cute. So stinking cute. They have all, of course, the regular fun stuff, bikini top shells, The coconut husk shells, the Lay's, lots of goodies. I love this sign. Fruit stand lemonade, strawberry pickin'. Isn't that so cute? I'm gonna get it. I'm definitely gonna get it. I showed you guys these signs last time I was here. Then they have Sandy Beach Salty Seas and Relaxation. They also have, they had these in a box for a long time. I'm psyched to see them out. The shells, the starfish with the crab. Lots of goodies there. And then we have Island Time. I don't think you guys can see how glittery and how fun they are because of the glare. But yeah, the signs are great. These are new Taco Bell Taco Supreme sunflower seeds. And they are in a 4-ounce bag. You guys were thinking about trying these? I really liked them a lot. Spring Magic Fab, and you get 10, so it's 10 loads for $1. I really liked these, so I tried them. I just purchased one just to try them because I have so much laundry detergent, but these are awesome. So last time I was here, I showed you guys that they had these crackers. Sorry, she needed something. So they had these club crackers, right? They're so good, so good. I'm glad I picked them up. And this time they have these club multigrain crackers. And look at how many are in a package. That's insane. I am gonna pick up more of these because they were actually really good. My niece and I both had them in cereal, had used it in cereal, and it was very good. So I'm gonna grab a couple more to have on hand. So these are just randomly right here, but how cute are they? Chalkboard wood steaks, 4 pieces. So cool. I'd look in the front near the garden. They have wasabi sauce. I have never tried wasabi, believe it or not. So right here with the regular condiments. Look at these. Look like little like Starbucks cups, I think. Little beverage cups, maybe not Starbucks, but little, how cute with the paper clips in them. Tan, pink, purple. That's fun. Pantene Gold Series Deep Hydrating Co-Wash infused with argan oil. Sulfate-free cleansing restores strength and protects natural oils and essentials for hair health. Nice. And then down here, this is the last set of these. Color Protect System Shampoo, Salon Color Restore. So I'm going to grab each of these. I hope you guys have gotten a chance to try them. If you have, let me know what you think. So they added more to the line of hair color items. They added in the blush, the teal, the lavender. That's awesome. They had the hair makeup last time, but if you remember, they only had this one back here. Now they've added in the others. Very cool. They still have a lot of this L'Oreal Colorista left, the clear mixer. And then they got the shimmer lights. So they added quite a few. And then they have this one right here. Unscented White Rain Extra Hold Hairspray. That's new for this store. Volumizing Mousse. And they have Extra Hold Hairspray. Also have it in California Blonde Illuminating System Shampoo with Passion Flower Extracts. Just really stepping up their game here at the Dollar Tree. Some more hair makeup. Where was all this hair makeup at the Dollar Tree when I was in high school? Right? Come on, you agree? Hit that thumbs up if you agree. I still love these. I used both of mine to soak my little toesies. Love them. They have these bath bombs. Spa Naturals Coconut Bath Bomb. And then they have the Strawberry Spa Natural. Oh, so fancy. Guys, I have seen these at a couple of stores. Way more expensive. Way more expensive. I was at Ocean State Job Lot. And actually, I'll insert a picture here of what the price was there. And then I saw Walmart for like $8 something, I believe. So I'll insert the picture, you'll see. But That's a good deal. I brought these products out of the way. I've never seen this 16-ounce coarse sea salt by Supreme Tradition. I mean, I've always seen the spices here, but never this large of a size. Guys, that's a honker for just $1. And then I'll show you a few other things. Oh, I found the pillows. I put them in my cart to show you. I'm probably not going to grab these because I don't think they're that great. I really don't. I'm sorry if you liked them. I'm sorry. I just think they're kind of like dust traps. But these are the 3 colors that they had in my store. So I'm going to put those back up front. I showed you guys those. Showed you these. The necklaces. I am getting the little fans though because I think these are perfect for your purse. I get hot super easy, so I'm going to put these in my purse. Well, not right now. You know what I mean. And then I wanted to show you guys these. I'm not getting these either, but I wanted to show them to you. These little unicorn keychains. So cute. Look at these. Purple, blue, pink, and white. And I think that's all I have to show. I think I already showed you these on the shelf. These I am getting as for like my gift closet. All right, let me clean this card out and see if I can find anything else. New bags. Let's see if I can do this like this. Very nice. Ooh, one-handed. I like this. Our nest is best. Isn't that pretty? And then they have Make Your Dreams Happen. These are also new. So pretty. Paris. They have these cool boards. It says it's a photo frame. Special moments 4x6 pictures fit in here. It's got the little rope and the little cute clothespins. That's a great value. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Everything here is a great value. I get it. Well, not everything though, so that's not true. Anyway, love it. What confidence, beauty, and power really look like? A new model, Ashley Graham. Yes. This in the stores was $26.99, so almost $30. Say what? Oh, I think we got some new ones here. So, Maddie Ziegler has a book at the Dollar Tree called The Audition. This book was originally $16.99. So if you have a child who's into dance or who loves Maddie Ziegler, great find. Great find. Casey Ho's Hot Year-Round Body, guys. Let's see. It was $18. Some great finds. This one's called The Burn. Drop up to 3 and 3, 5 and 5, or 10 and 10. Haley Pomeroy, is that her name? Why your scale is stuck and what to eat about it. All right. Oh, I hate when they cover up the price so we don't know. Choose your burn, 3-day, 5-day, 10-day, and blaze through weight loss barrier. We have a Walmart product here at the Dollar Tree, $18.88. The Swamp, Washington's murky pool of corruption, and I'm gonna cough. I gotta go. I'm sorry.